Phrasal verbs. Deprive of, derive from, descend on, descend to, despair of, and more.
Listen.
Deprive of,
privar de, despojar de, retirar de.
the court deprived him of his freedom. Illness deprived her of her strength. They deprived the child of proper education. Derive from,
Derivar de, originar-se de, obter de.
this word derives from Latin. She derives great pleasure from reading. The company's profits derive from international sales. Descend on,
Afluir sobre, visitar inesperadamente, cair sobre.
tourists descend on the city during summer. Relatives descended on us without warning. Silence descended on the crowded room. Descend to,
Descer a rebaixar-se a chegar a estado.
the stairs descend to the basement. He would never descend to such dishonest tactics. The conversation descended to petty arguments. Despair of,
Desesperar de, perder a esperança em, desacreditar.
she despaired of ever finding her lost ring. The doctor despaired of the patient's recovery. We despair of his ability to change. Detach from,
Desprender de, separar de, desligar-se de.
detach the coupon from the magazine. She detached herself from the group. Detach the hose from the faucet. Deter from,
Dissuadir de, desencorajar de, impedir de.
the rain did not deter us from going out. Nothing will deter her from achieving her goals. He was deterred from the plan by the high cost. Diet on,
Alimentar-se de, comer apenas, viver de.
she diets on fruits and vegetables. He had to diet on soup for a week. The prisoners dieted on bread and water. Dig around,
Cavar ao redor, procurar, investigar.
he dug around the tree to plant flowers. I need to dig around in my desk for that pen. The journalist dug around for more information. Dilute with,
Diluir com, atenuar com, suavizar com.
dilute the juice with water. She diluted the harsh criticism with kind words. You can dilute the paint with a little solvent. Dim out.
Escurecer. Apagar gradualmente. Reduzir luz.
Dim out the lights for the movie. The streetlights dimmed out at dawn. Dim out the screen to save battery. Dip into.
Mergulhar em folhear. Gastar pouco de.
She dipped into the water with her toes. I dipped into the book while waiting. We had to dip into our savings for the trip. Discourage from.
Desencorajar de. Dissuadir de. Desestimular.
His bad example discouraged me from trying. Parents should discourage their children from smoking. The high price discouraged customers from buying. Disguise as.
Disfarçar-se de. Camuflar como. Disfarçar como.
He disguised himself as a security guard. She disguised the medicine as candy. The spy disguised his identity as a businessman. Dismiss as.
Descartar como. Considerar como. Demitir como.
They dismissed the idea as impractical. She dismissed his comments as irrelevant. The manager dismissed the complaint as trivial. Dispense with.
Prescindir de. Abrir mão de. Dispensar.
We can dispense with the formalities. She dispensed with the usual introduction. Let's dispense with the small talk. Dispose of.
Desfazer-se de. Eliminar. Vender.
Dispose of the trash properly. He disposed of all his old furniture. We need to dispose of the company assets. Dissuade from.
Dissuadir de. Despersuadir. Desencorajar de.
I tried to dissuade him from quitting his job. She dissuaded her friend from making a bad decision. We should dissuade children from playing with fire.